Alright, before we jump in, if you want a sweet discount on Opus Clip, click the link in the description below. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. So, let's talk about Opus Clip. Editing videos can feel like solving a Rubik's Cube with oven mitts on. Opus Clip? It's like a tiny video wizard in your laptop. It chops long videos into short, viral-ready clips. Here's how it works. You upload your video. You hit a button. Boom. Opus Clip uses AI to find the juiciest moments, like when your cat photobombed a Zoom call, or when you finally nailed that backflip. It even adds captions automatically, so viewers can watch on mute while pretending to work. Does it always get it right? Sometimes the AI thinks my awkward pauses are viral gold, but it's got a sense of humor. You can always tweak the clips yourself. The best part, it saves me hours. I'd rather binge-watch cooking fails than scrub through footage looking for highlights. The interface is so simple, my grandma could use it. She still thinks YouTube is a new brand of toothpaste. But Opus Clip isn't perfect. Sometimes it misses context. Sometimes it picks up my ooh moments. For the price and time saved, I'm not complaining. If you want to pump out more shorts, this is a game changer. Want that discount? Click the link in the description below. Your future self will high-five you. That's my honest take on Opus Clip. Smash that like button if this helped. Tell me in the comments if you've tried it or have a better tool. Catch you in the next one.